So these are mustard greens as you are seeing. I grow at my tiny compound. Remember, mustard greens, they are very, very nutritious to the chicken and they like it very much since they contain vitamins like K, A, and remember vitamin A. It helps in maintaining good vision and immune functioning. And vitamin K also aids in blood clotting and body metabolism. So that's why it's good if you're having a small place or keeping chicken at your place, it's good not to leave it behind. At least try to grow these mustard greens. Also, they help you to cut the cost of the feeds as well. So, as you are seeing in the video, I was harvesting to feed my chicken. And remember, these green, they grow very fast. Actually, like in a period of 21 days, you find them when they are ready. As you are seeing, they like them. Chicken, they enjoy them since they are very nutritious. So it's good to grow mustard greens to boost your chicken immunity. As you are saying.